To enter data in Excel, you simply click on a cell where you want that particular data to be. So for example, in my case, if I click in this cell here and I want to enter for example, I want to type something here, so you just simply click and the data will be entered in the cell. So it's as simple as that. So in any cell you click, you can enter the data. So you don't need to worry about, oh, what do I do to really enter data. You simply click on a cell and type. That's it. Now when you click when you enter data, if you click on that cell which contains that particular data or information you've entered, if you click on it and type again, that new information that you type will override the information that was in that particular cell. So this is basically how you enter data in Excel. You just click on a particular cell and you type. Now if you notice that the cell that you've entered is not fitting quite the way you want it to fit in a particular column, there's a way you can resize the column width. And to do that, you simply move the cursor, this plus sign, this plus icon you see, move it right in between these two columns, column C and column D, until it changes to this symbol. In here it shows an arrow pointing down. Inside here it's a big plus. But when it comes here, it changes into this icon, and when it does that, you simply click just normally as you would click, and then you drag so that you increase the size of a column. So in this case, you see that the size of that particular column, this column, I've increased it like that. We'll talk about changing colors and formatting and other things like that. I just want to show you, for example, how you can resize a column. So you simply click and drag. The same way you can do for a row. To resize a row, you simply come in between these two numbers, for example 3 and 4, or if you want to increase there, so I'll come, in my case I'll come between 3 and 4, I click and drag down. So the size of this row has increased, it has become bigger. So if by any chance, for example, you find that your data is not fitting quite well in a particular, say in a particular column or row, you can actually increase or resize the width of a column and a cell. So this is basically how you enter data in Excel, and that particular data you enter, you can actually resize the width of the columns and cells so that it fits according to the way you want it to be.